is there? It's not really working though. Oh no, it's gonna scare me. Oh, Jesus, what was that? Oh.
Sort of bit angled behind the shed. So it's
angled which way?
It's going to shoot off.
that way.
Is it?
Probably shoot down here, is it?
Oh, that's pretty. That one's pretty. Wow, it's like a big flame.